Hi, folks. I'm Tom Kavicka with you again here for the PM hours on Thursday. This time we're warm and muggy, still 89 degrees out at the airport with a dew point of 73. That's enough humidity even here that you can definitely feel it. Not a lot of wind, and we're once again seeing kind of a dark cloud base there on the cam. Don't see any rain coming through to the ground on that, but that's about 3/4 of the way to rain, if you will. Remember, you have to have moisture in the air. The moisture rises and creates clouds, and that is the third stage of the precipitation process. Let's go up to LaSalle Parish, where we're seeing 87 in Gina. A little bit hazy sky, and we're still seeing a lot of high cloudiness over in that direction. Thanks in our broadcasting for these cam views. Radar indicating we do have a little rain moving into the area. Once again, like yesterday, across our northwestern areas, it looks like. Let's get a little closer look in and see what's happening with that. Nothing severe. Let me put the alerts on, and really don't see any severe warnings with any of this, even out in Texas around Corsicana and Waxahachie there, where it's strong thunderstorms, but no warnings as of yet with that. You can see a little lightning with that from time to time as well. And let me put this in for about the next hour and showing you the motion coming in through Sabine Parish right now and Natchitoches Parish. This is also, we'll show you this. You can see the motion with this from south to north. This is with the low level winds, and this is pushing moisture up. So it's kind of feeding energy to these storms. We see some lightning strikes there north of Natchitoches, north of Campty, in fact, up there toward Goldana and that direction. And looking back into Sabine Parish, we're seeing a little bit of lightning from time to time as well, but again, not the most electrically active stuff on the map there. So we'll continue to watch this. It's non-severe and really not expected to become severe. So here's the leftovers of that complex, what you're seeing heading eastward. You see the high clouds coming in overhead. Literally what's happening is the thunderstorm tops grow vertically. Strong upper level winds at that level blow the tops off the clouds and blow that debris over central Louisiana. That's what you're seeing in the sky right now, those high clouds, once again, along the dry line. This is the moisture boundary, dry over here to the west of it, moist ahead of it. And so in that contrast, we're seeing storms develop along the dry line, pretty isolated right now, but you can also see the shape here with the upper level winds blowing the anvil off to the northeast and to the east here across that particular area. So that's how it happens this time of year, folks, a lot of times. Let's go into your futurecast here. What's in store for us here over the next couple of days? You see all the stray showers there into the evening hours. This model indicating that we're not going to see too much happen until maybe Saturday morning when a little bit of stuff comes out of the north or the northwest. And I bought into this. This is why I'm showing this. So you might take that into account with your weekend plans. It's not a high chance. And once we go through Saturday, that is pretty much out of here. 7-day forecast in for your Friday. Partly cloudy, a hot day. And look at the heat and humidity there for Saturday and Sunday. Look at those lows. Midsummer lows. July, August, 72, 73. We're getting 74, 75. Remember, these are only averages. There could be some readings no lower than 77 or 78 at the warmest locations some of those mornings. There's your 10% on your Saturday morning. Sunday and Friday don't really have anything explicit in the forecast there. Memorial Day, I did keep 30% during the day there, just in case there's something. It'll be an awfully hot day, though, with that. Then the little front boundary comes in, and that will settle things down a tad as we head into Wednesday. We'll still linger about 30% for Tuesday, north of that frontal boundary back up this way. But you see temperatures drop a little bit, so that's good. And temperatures continue to drop a little bit there for Wednesday and Thursday, kind of showing you the frontal influence. And rain chances go back up on Thursday. And hold with me, if you're going to be out with this long Memorial Day weekend plan, we've got the severe weather outlooks for the country in case you're traveling. Well, where's the bad weather going to be this next 4 days, I would say. So of immediate consequence will be locally, we see severe weather possibilities mainly north of us here for today and into tomorrow morning. And then from tomorrow morning into Saturday morning, notice how it just kind of withdraws to the north just a bit. And then further for Saturday morning to Sunday morning with it centered across Oklahoma and far north Texas and Kansas. And you see it just kind of shifts out of the area with the forecast upcoming even into Sunday and to Monday morning across portions of the mid-Mississippi Valley there and extending maybe into portions of the Tennessee and Ohio valleys, maybe as far north as Chicagoland, and as far south maybe as portions of the Arklatex there around Texarkana. So that's your severe weather outlook, just in case you want to know what's going to happen around the country next several days for this long Memorial Day weekend. And Nick Mickey will be back with you.